Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Hub Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you the essential tools you need to download and install before you start coding. Apps to download and install. Visual Studio Code. This is one of the most popular code editors. Others include Notepad and Xcode. Node.js tool. Node.js is an app that lets you run JavaScript on your computer. How to install Visual Studio Code. Step 1. Download the installation setup. Go to your browser and type in Visual Studio Code. Select the official site. In the top right corner, click the download button. Since I am using Windows, I will click the download button for Windows 10 and 11. If you are using a Mac, click the button for Mac OS. If you are not using any of the two, then click the buttons in the middle. Step 2. Open the setup. Click the Downloads icon in the top right corner and click the folder icon to take you to exactly where the setup is and double-click to open it. Select I accept the agreement, then click Next. Check the first box if you want a desktop icon of the app. Add Open with Code Action to Windows Explorer File Context menu. Adds a button to your right-click menu when you click on a single file and allows you open that one file directly in VS Code. Add Open with Code Action to Windows Explorer Directory Context menu. Adds a button to your right-click menu when you click on a folder, allowing you to open the entire folder or project in Visual Studio Code. And finally, click Install. How to install Node.js. Step 1. Download the installation setup. Go to your browser and type in Node.js. Select the official site. Click this button that says Get Node.js. Click the drop-down and select according to the operating system that you are using. Since I am using Windows, I will choose Windows. Scroll down and click Windows Installer button. Step 2. Open the setup. Click the Downloads icon in the top right corner and click the folder icon to take you to exactly where the setup is and double-click to open it. Click Next. Accept the terms in the license agreement, then click Next. Click Next again. And finally, click Install. Before we start writing any code, it's important to stay organized. So let's create a special folder where all your practice files will go. So go to Desktop, right-click, New, then Folder. Name it Learning Coding. Double-click to open the folder. In the space, right-click, New, then Folder. Name the folder Learning HTML. This is where we'll save every HTML lesson, every example, and every small project we practice. Keeping all your files in one place makes it easier to review what you've learned and track your progress. And that's it. These are the essential tools you need before you start coding. In the next video, we'll begin writing actual code. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our next lessons are in production, and the release dates will soon be announced, so stay tuned. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more tips and lessons. Follow us on Telegram, and WhatsApp for the latest news and updates. Your support will encourage us to create more productive and engaging lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.